Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up mortgage protection insurance with Betterment, detailed guide step by step clear. To set up mortgage protection insurance with Betterment, begin by visiting the Betterment website. Create an account if you haven't already. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section of the site. Look for the option specifically for mortgage protection insurance. Click on this option to learn more about the coverage available. After reviewing the details, click on the Get Started button. You will now be prompted to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your name, address, and contact details as requested. Next, enter information about your mortgage, including the total amount and term length. This information will help Betterment determine the coverage you need. You will then be asked about your current health status. Answer these questions honestly to ensure accurate quotes. Once you complete the health questionnaire, proceed to the coverage options. Select the level of coverage that fits your needs and budget. After making your selection, review the premium costs associated with your policy. If everything looks good, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. You may need to provide payment information at this stage. Fill in your payment details carefully to avoid any errors. After submitting your payment details, review all the information provided. Make sure everything is accurate before finalizing your purchase. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of your policy purchase. Check your email for policy documents and confirmation for your records. If needed, connect with Betterment's customer support for any questions. Congratulations, you have successfully set up mortgage protection insurance with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.